Welcome to Train Them Up for Success's 2020 Girls Fit to Soar virtual camp. I want you to know that this is really an exciting time to be involved in this camp. Although people are staying at home in place, it doesn't mean that we had to stop learning. This year, this campus will bring together industry leaders from around the country just for girls. Girls from middle school to high school will be able to engage, ask questions, and learn about careers, how these women were able to carve out their path and their journey to get to where they are and develop themselves.
Being a teen girl today is like a balancing act. Go to our website at www.trainthemupforsuccess.org to register your girl. Maybe you don't have a girl you want to send to camp, but you want to donate so that a girl can go to camp. We also would love to have you involved. Your donations will allow a young woman to learn about career exploration, college prep, and fitness. Register today.